CAD Certification Practice Test 2026. Question 1. Which component of CyberArk serves as the Central Secure Repository? PVWA, Digital Vault, CPM, PSM. The Digital Vault is the hardened, central repository for all secrets. Question 2. What is the primary role of the Central Policy Manager, CPM? Recording sessions, changing passwords automatically, providing the web interface, authenticating users. The CPM is responsible for rotating and managing passwords. Question 3. Which component provides the web-based user interface for CyberArk? PSM, PVWA, Vault, AIM. The Privileged Session Web Access, PVWA, is the portal for users. Question 4. What does PSM stand for in CyberArk architecture? Personal Secret Manager, Privileged Session Manager, Policy Security Module, Private Storage Medium. PSM manages and records privileged sessions. Question 5. How does the PVWA communicate with the Vault? Standard HTTP, Proprietary Protocol, Port 1858, SSH, SMB. All components communicate with the Vault via the proprietary protocol on port 1858. Question 6. A safe in CyberArk is used to store physical backup tapes, logically group and secure accounts, monitor the network, cool the servers. Safes are the logical storage containers within the Vault. Question 7. What is the master user used for in CyberArk? Daily administration, emergency recovery only, auditing sessions, running the CPM. The master user, and CD, is for emergency recovery and should be kept offline. Question 8. Which protocol is typically used for PSM RDP connections? RDP, port 3389, HTTP, port 80, FTP, port 21, Telnet. PSM uses the RDP protocol to provide secure access to target systems. Question 9. The DR Vault is responsible for daily backups, maintaining availability if the primary vault fails, analyzing logs, updating the PVWA. The Disaster Recovery Vault replicates data to take over if the primary fails. Question 10. What is the purpose of dual control, requiring two admins to login, requiring approval from another user to access a secret, two vaults running at once, managing two passwords? Dual control enforces a request and approve workflow for sensitive accounts. Question 11. Which utility is used to perform initial vault hardening? Notepad, CyberArk Vault Hardening Script, Windows Update, Excel. CyberArk provides specific scripts and tools to harden the underlying OS. Question 12. What is a platform in CyberArk? A physical server, a set of configuration rules for a type of account, the cloud provider, the OS version. A platform defines how the CPM interacts with specific account types, example, Windows, Unix. Question 13. What happens when a password is checked out in exclusive mode? Anyone can see it. It is locked so others cannot use it until checked in. It is deleted. It is sent to the CEO. Exclusive usage prevents multiple people from using the same account simultaneously. Question 14. Which service must be running for the Vault to operate? World Wide Web Publishing, Private Arc Database, Print Spooler, Windows Audio. The Private Arc Database service is the core engine of the Vault. Question 15. What is the transparent connection feature? Users seeing the password. Users connecting to targets without seeing the password. A glass server rack. Open source code. Transparent connections allow PSM to bridge a session without revealing credentials. Question 16. Which component is used for AAM Application Access Manager? CPM, PVWA, Credential Providers, PSM. Credential Providers/AAM allows applications to retrieve secrets without hard-coding. Question 17. What is the Vault Admins Group? People who fix the air conditioning. The default group with administrative rights in the vault. Users who can only view recordings. External auditors. The Vault Admins Group has full control over the environment. Question 18. How are backups typically handled in CyberArk? PA Replicate Utility. Control+C and Control+V Dropbox. Google Drive. PA Replicate is the tool used to securely backup the vault data. Question 19. Which file contains the vault's network configuration? boot.ini, barm.ini, server.exe or vault.ini. barm.ini is the main configuration file for the vault server. Question 20. The private ARC client is used for browsing the web, advanced vault administration and safe management, writing emails, video editing. The private ARC client is the thick client administrative tool.